Hello guys, today I've got Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8 and I'm going to show you the complete cover screen guide. So actually, your phone features an expansive 4.1-inch SWED FlexWindow outer display running One UI 9. The updated cover screen interface reduces the need to unfold your phone by providing a dedicated app drawer, built-in aspect ratio toggles and multitasking controls. So we can start by core navigation and gestures.
Multitasking controls let you manage multiple applications
Okay,
at once.
thank you very much Samsung, but this is not what I meant. Okay, so once we are right here in the cover screen, you can swipe down from the top right corner to enable the quick panel settings. Here we've got Wi-Fi, sound, Bluetooth, AirPlay mode, quick switch, I think that's what it's called, I think so, and many more. Apart from that, if we swipe down from the top left corner, like somewhere in the middle even, I think, we've got notification section. Here, if we swipe like this, from swipe up, as you can see, if we swipe up, we can see app drawer, like Bixby, browser, calculator, calendar, camera, clock, contacts, gallery, phone reminder, and voice recorder. So as you can see, these apps, like the system ones, these right here are the native ones that are supported, and this one in the labs section that are probably disabled for you by default. Here, if you scroll down a little bit, you can see add apps button with some add-on installation. This add-on is in the Galaxy Store and you need to install multi-star module, and it should be installed automatically. I don't know if it was multi-star or something like that, but here you need to just tap install and it should be all automatically. If it doesn't want to work, you need to contact the device support or just see a video on our channel of how to do that. Once you do that, you can tap add apps and you can add some applications. So apart from that, we've got swipe right, and so with swipe right we can see our active widgets. So now, how to actually modify and customize our phone, our cover screen. Once you hold your finger in the background in your unlocked phone, you can edit normal view like these widgets, you can edit all the pages, etc. You can drag them, add widgets, add everything what you just want, and many more. Once your screen is locked, like this, if you hold your finger in the background, you can change the wallpaper, like this. Wow, it's nice. But how to actually add widgets? To add widgets, you need to first unlock your phone and hold your finger in the background. Here, as you can see, we've got this top right icon. If we tap it, of course correctly, we can see widgets and we can scroll down from, oh yes, multi-star. Here we've got multi-star and we can add a good logo right here. And that's actually how it works. And of course, that should be actually it. We've got some more actually camera settings, and I will show you, and that after this camera settings it will be finished. So we've got camera, and once we enter the video, we can enable cover screen preview and dual shooting, for example, just for a quick example. And now we've got here the preview, so we can, for example, record ourselves with and record using this camera the other side, or of course record ourselves using this camera and something using this camera. It depends actually on your own preferences. And of course we can use a normal camera application on the cover screen and take photos or record videos or anything else. Here I've got video, And actually that's how it works. Bye!